All right, good evening, IHP and Radice's Chicken and Eggplant Parm reviews on YouTube. Welcome to the Friday night, January 23rd, 2026 Chicken Parm review. Tonight I'm doing a go-to place of mine, T&J Restaurant, 10 Pearl Street, Port Chester, New York, right across the street from Neary's Bakery, one of my favorite spots. I got the chicken parm, got a side of spaghetti over here. This is a huge portion, guys. So we'll see what we got here. Here we go. First bite, heavy on the sauce. First bite was all cheese, but it's very good. Chicken, nice and thin. It was pounded out nice. I gotta say, if I have to rate this sauce, it's phenomenal. Very good. And that is what I call heavy in the sauce. Because to me, in these reviews, the sauce can actually make it or break it. Here we go. I'm about 4 or 5 bites in, and I already have a score in mind. Good stuff. Yingling Golden Lager. I know their eggplant was in the nines. I did them about maybe 6 months ago. One more bite, promise. Drum roll, please. T&J, you don't disappoint me. I'm gonna go 9.4. Another 9.4. 2 9.4s in a row. We had crust issues. T&J's, a lot of good chicken parm in Westchester and Fairfield County, guys. I am going to expand to other areas as I'm doing a little more traveling. I will be retired starting next week. So peace out. We'll see you next time, and have a great weekend. And if you're in the snow, be safe, guys.